Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 SL550 White Arrow Edition. Only 400 of these were made. This one is a Designo Diamond White Metallic. Underneath it is a 4.7 V8 with 429 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 6-spoke with black accent wheels, bi-xenon headlamps, White Arrow Edition badging on the side, black Napa leather with platinum white elements, a Designo gloss black center console trim, SL550 badging, power liftgate with a retractable panorama sunroof, clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, blind spot assist, memory seats, Harman Kardon sound system, illuminated door sills, black Napa leather steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation, Parktronic with active parking assist, a surround view backup camera with sensors, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated and cooled seats, dual climate controls, Designo badging, active multi-contour seats, magic vision control, our button for our retractable roof, sports and comfort mode. This SL has 26,022 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this SL550 White Arrow Edition, visit us at feldmanimports.com.